Hi everyone, this is Poonam Duneja. I am the dietitian from RDX. Hope all of you are staying safe and staying home and not stepping out of the home at all. I hope you liked my first video. Let me give you some tips that you can boost your immunity. I'm going to talk about gut health and its relation to immune system. This is a high time, unfortunately, that we should be understanding the role of gut health in improving our immune system, because everybody is busy popping vitamin C and vitamin D, what not. But we should understand the fact that when we are having a good gut, when we are having a good digestive system, when whatever we are eating is being properly digested and assimilated, then our immune system will never be compromised, right? Because gut is connected to everything. And even when people are coming to me with simple things, simple issues like bad hair or bad skin, acne, or the hormonal imbalances, girls are having a lot of period issues, right? And men are having infertility issues and so many other things, depression, anxiety, and brain fog. People are not able to sometimes understand or speak clearly due to brain fog. Everything is related to gut. So we don't treat the hormones, we treat the gut, because gut has a range of microbiome in the small intestine and the large intestine, which actually digest all the macronutrients and the micronutrients and the trace minerals which is required for very small bodily functions, including the immune system. And even the medical journals and European papers of immunology mentions one important trace mineral, that is zinc. Deficiency of zinc brings a havoc of things in our body. Like zinc has a huge role in turning the signals on from immune cells to the area of infection. Even the different bacteria and viruses are being attacked only in the presence of zinc. Once you have a good immune system, then if you are having a good optimum amount of zinc in your body, then only your immune system will be working properly. And say zinc is being stored in our body in, say, skin, hair, reproductive organs. And once in the deficiency of zinc, you'll be having a lot of issues like bad skin, poor hair fall, hair dandruff, and so many other things that you can say. And it's highly important that whatever you eat has to be digested and assimilated properly. And even if you are having issues with your losing weight and a lot of hormonal imbalances, see, zinc has a huge role in everything, because zinc turns food into energy. Whatever you eat, say carbs have starches, right? Carbs are burned to energy, and proteins are broken down into amino acids and fats into fatty acids. They're in the presence of certain enzymes which are actually proteins, and zinc actually turns production of these enzymes. In the absence of zinc, everything is not going to work properly. And say zinc is the gatekeeper of immune system. Zinc has an important role, as I told you, in the conversion of food into energy. And when you are not working out properly, when you are overtraining, when you are not sleeping well, when you are overstressed, stress plays again a huge role in turning off your immune system. And in the presence of a hormone called cortisol, your immune system actually decreases. And when you're over drinking, people are abusing alcohol, people are overtraining, people are not having proper sleep, again your zinc is depleted from the body, so immune system goes down. And zinc coordinates and signal immune cells to bacteria and viruses. And it helps fighting diseases like cancers and certain and you can say presence of zinc is highly important in your body. And in order to, some people are having fertility issues, so many people are having sexual dysfunctions, women are not able to conceive properly, and men are having sperm quality issues. That can happen only once zinc is in optimum position in their body. There is no use running to IVF clinics, and there is no use turning to so many other artificial procedures. But once you are having a good balanced diet, it's going to give you good results. And people are having, like, small children across the world are having so much issues like diarrhea, and in the absence of zinc, again this is going to happen. and people are having premature graying and lot of hair fall, baldness, alopecia. Again, this is all due to zinc. So I think you should be all taking food items that have good amount of zinc, like whole egg with the yolk, not just the egg whites, but of course in limited quantity, lentils and chicken and so many other things that you can have which have good zinc. But do try to keep your balanced diet. Once you're having fat diets and you're happy showing on Instagram that you have lost so much of weight, but people do not show that how much hair fall they are having, how much skin is sagging, and this all is going to give you bad results in the long run. And I am again going to say that please replace your zinc supplements properly. And even the athletes are going to require to maintain their testosterone levels, to maintain their muscle mass during this time especially. Please pop in your zinc supplements so that you do not lose any muscle mass. And I hope you like my video, and please do like, share with your loved ones. Thank you. Even the immune system is compromised when you are overstressed, because stress increases the flushing out of trace mineral that is called zinc, and due to the absence of zinc, immune system is not working properly. So autoimmune diseases like the rheumatoid arthritis or the ADHD or Crohn's disease, so many things, they start appearing. So I want you to have most of the zinc sources like the red meat or the oysters, whole eggs, milk, dairy products. Very little of them, of course, and then the nuts, almonds, cashews. So you can have the chicken and the whole eggs with the yolk, of course, in moderation, so that your zinc is in optimum position and you can preserve your muscle mass in this period.